sure that you get some husbands or boyfriends that come in like, oh man, what am I doing here? And then,
oh my gosh, yeah, they don't know that they're getting booked for a scented, a scented experience, and then they get in here, and then the scale and the beaker come out, and I'll tell you that science brain kicks in, and they think that they just made my next bestseller.
And then the competition, of course, happens with their friends. And mine smell better than yours.
Oh yeah.
I can see that'd be one of them got to.
Yeah. But that's okay. That's okay. We love it. Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to show people what we got here, so let's go ahead and get started.
All right, sounds great. Thanks.
Good morning and welcome back to another episode of Boards with Kirby Smith. I'm Kirby Smith and I'm sitting here with Miss Melissa Mchaffie, who is the owner-operator of Crafted Scent Bar. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing so wonderful.
What a wonderful place you have here.
Thank you.
Now, the Crafted Scent Bar is located here in downtown Usage, right here at Fairham Park.
Yep.
Can you tell me a little bit about what's going on here?
So this is a place, it's a DIY, kind of like a painting with a twist, but with candles. So we mix and match scents, and you can make your own candles, wax melts, reed diffusers, car diffusers, all different projects.
So when you say diffusers, I'm not quite sure what you mean by a diffuser. What is that?
So it's like a bottle of scent and oil, and it's got sticks or wooden sticks that come out of it, and it kind of diffuses the air without a flame. So it's like a flameless option if you're looking for a flameless option, or you can have ones that kind of hang in your car. People love the car diffusers.
Like the little things you get from car washes and stuff?
Yeah, but better, because it's like a little glass bottle that has like a signature scent that you've created. So you have a bunch of like 60 different scents that you get to mix and match and create your own signature scent.
Can you go through what someone would expect when they come to the Crafted Scent Bar?
Yeah, can I show you?
Absolutely.
So we have 60 different scents, and they're all labeled on the bottom. So this is my Macintosh. That's Macintosh apple. So smell that. That's one of our testers. You like it?
Good, yeah.
So people can pick up to 3 scents, and they just kind of smell them all together, figure out what they want to mix, and they make their own brand new scent. And then they can pour that into a candle or diffuser or whatever.
I can see that this could be like a pretty good fun night out with a group of people.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Birthday parties, all kinds of stuff, yeah.
What inspired you to come up with this idea?
So I've been making candles for 27 years. So I've been a candle maker for a long, long time. Since my daughter was born, I didn't want to go back to work after I had her, and my dad said, why don't you make candles? And I was like, you buy those at the store, what are you talking about? I taught myself how to make them. My ex-husband and I had a kiosk up at the Lake Square Mall. We had consultants that sold them for us, but then we had a fire and we lost our shop. But I always did candles all throughout my life, but was always in finance and banking. Moved back to Lake County in like 2017 to be close to family. And like I said, I was in banking, and then I went to a board and brush class with my stepmom, which is kind of like a DIY thing. When I got home, I was like, I remember when we make stuff together, it builds a core memory. I was like, I could do this with candles. So I started filling up notebooks. I was so excited about my new business idea. And then in March 2020, as we know, everything shut down. I was working for a bank, and they kept us off the road for a couple weeks, which turned into a couple months, and then it was a couple years. And I needed people. So this little spirit started saying, you need to start that business because you need to get out of the house, and other people need to get out of the house. So I took a leap of faith and started Crafted Scent Bar on the side. So this is what happened.
Me not being a candle maker, I can only assume that there's different types of waxes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, there's paraffin wax, there's soy wax. Here we use soy wax because it's a cleaner burning wax. It's made in the USA. It's farmers. So yeah, that's what the kind of wax that we use here.
So soy wax, it brings to mind, of course, the soybean. So is that an all-natural wax?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And actually, along those lines too, the scent that I use is phthalate-free, which is a chemical. It's spelled phthalate-s, and it's a chemical that's in fragrance oils that causes endocrine disruption, hormonal disruption. My scents do not carry that. So not only is it soy wax, but it's also phthalate-free.
So you have an entirely environmentally clean wax that you burn in your home,
Yeah, yeah.
or your scent that's in your car, or little gift baskets. We're here at your Crafted Scent Bar here in downtown Eustis, but I understand coming soon there's some exciting news. Would you like to elaborate on that?
There is. We are moving to downtown Mount Dora. We're going to be right next to Yada Yada Pottery on 5th Avenue, 129 West 5th Avenue. Super excited to be a part of Mount Dora.
Well, I'm sure that Mount Dora is excited to have another crafty, eclectic atmosphere to their little charm town.
Yes, yes, yes.
So if you happen to have a bunch of friends come over, you have a birthday party, or you just want to see what it's like to build a candle, make a scent, give Melissa a call, look at the website. The website's at the bottom of the screen. Whatever you do, be good to your friends, be good to your family. That's all we have for Board Shorts of Kirby Smith. See you next Wednesday.